Welcome guys. I hope you're fine. Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer your BNB from Binance application to your Trust Wallet application. This video is for basically for beginners who doesn't know any idea how you can transfer your BNB from Binance accounts to your Trust Wallet or any other currency. I will show you 2 to 3 currencies how you can transfer your cryptocurrency from Binance to your Trust Wallet easily. For this, I have to open my Trust Wallet. Here, I want to deposit my cryptocurrency from Binance accounts. Here I will select first of all I want to transfer my BNB. Okay, so from Trust Wallet you have to take your receiving address, means your deposit address. Copy that address from here. Okay, this is BNB PEP2 network. Okay, this is not PEP20 network, this is PEP2 network. Copy that address from their received button. Okay, this is somehow in some wallets it is a deposit address. Okay, in Trust Wallet it is a received button. Okay, click on the received and copy that address. Step 1. In step 2, open your Binance account and click on your wallet. Here is your wallet. Then which currency you want to transfer from Binance to Trust Wallet, select there, and here you have to select withdraw. Okay, here is a withdraw. Go to wallet, then spot, then click on the withdraw button. Here withdraw, and here you have to select your currency. Select BNB here, and here you have to paste address that you had copied from your Trust Wallet BEP2 network. Paste there. Here, see that network, this automatically detect it is a BEP2 network. Select BEP2 network, confirm that, and here is a memo address. There's no need to put up here, and then here enter the amount you want to transfer. I want to transfer here 200 BNB. Okay, then click on the withdraw button. Then within a seconds this will automatically transfer from your Binance to your uh, Trust Wallet easily. Okay, this is a simple and easy step guys, you can transfer. So in the second I want to transfer my cake. Okay, pancake swap token. I want to transfer my cakes from Binance to my Trust Wallet. Okay, here same process like BNB. Select here receive address, copy that address, and then open your BNB, sorry, Binance account, then spot wallet, then wallet, then here is a withdraw. Click on the withdraw. Here I want to transfer my cake. Open cake. Actually, I haven't any amount of cake here, so I will show you ARPA. Okay, ARPA network. I will show you ARPA. Select here ARPA network. Here is ARPA. Okay, BEP2 network. Okay, select BEP2. Here, select click on the receive button. Click on the receive button. Then copy that address. Then open your Binance account. Select currency here, ARPA currency. Then you have to paste that address here. It automatically detect its BEP2 network. Okay, then enter your amount here, what you want to transfer, withdraw there. It will automatically detect what fees they are detected. Okay, and then for the token bind you need to BEP20 uh, BNB for the smart chain for the token purchasing. Here you want to transfer BNB smart chain from your Binance to Trust Wallet. Copy that address. Then here copy that address. This is BEP20 network. Okay guys, remember this is smart chain. It's BEP20. Then go to your Binance account. Here select BNB. Copy that address. This automatically detect its BEP20 network. Okay. And here icon appears the network you have selected. It's BSC. Please ensure with the withdraw address supports the Binance Smart Chain network. You will lose your assets if you choose platform does not support retrieve. This means that where you have to transfer means Trust Wallet they supports BEP20 network or not. It means yes, Trust Wallet supports Binance Smart Chains network cryptocurrencies. Here select your BNB how many you want to transfer. Okay, then click on the withdraw button and you it's easily and simple step you can transfer. Thank you guys.